Yo, what's going on, everybody? Today I thought I'd draw out some supply and demand levels and give you guys my analysis on the pairs. But if you guys have any recommendations for pairs next week, just let me know in the comments below. Feel free to subscribe. Thanks. But besides that, right now, we're going to start with the US dollar. The US dollar right now is slowly getting squeezed. What might come out of this is an explosive move up or an explosive move down. So it's just slowly getting squeezed. Demand zone, we got some demand down here. Everything's tested. And we have this one being played out right now. As for fresh ones, we don't have till up here. A nice rally base drop. So those are our two fresh zones, and right now prices is getting squeezed out. So that's the US dollar. You could expect it, the US dollar on most pairs to be something like that, being squeezed or being rangy. But right now we got the euro dollar. And right now in the news, we have a head and shoulders being formed right now. That's what everybody's saying. We're trading supply and demand, but I thought I'd just point this out to you guys. But if we want fresh levels, we want up here, and demand is we have a drop base rally, level on top of level right here. Nice zone. And that's fresh demand below. Yeah. So right now we're in the middle. USD Swiss, we're in a downtrend right now. We could have a rally base drop supply right here. This demand zone is currently being played out. And we have a rally base rally demand zone right below that. And the nicest zones are down here. Drop base rally, demand zones at the very bottom of the extreme here. These two zones, I should say, started the whole rally up. So this is where the best buying opportunity is down here. We are in a downtrend, so there's supply up here. We're in demand right now. Pound CAD, right now when I see this, we are in a ranging market. That's what my eyes instantly go to. No demand or supply. I just see it as a ranging market. So when I see this, I see it as, sell up here, buy down here. We have some demand right here. It's outside of the extreme curve, I would put it as. But you could look for buys down here and sells up here. So anytime you're down here, the demand takes control, and anytime you're up here, the sellers are in control. Bitcoin, we have some level up here, supply zone here, and as for demand, we're sitting in this area right here on a lower time frame. I'll show you. Oops. Go to the 4-hour and see this. This is a more advanced concept where you go into a smaller time frame and see where these orders are. So right now we're right here. Drop base rally, explosive move out. Price is right near it right now. We're on the 4-hour chart right now. So it's basing right before. That's not a good sign, but it's a great zone on the 4-hour down here. So prices might bounce coming down here. But as for the daily, supply zones up here. This one's currently being played out right now. It rallied back up, touched it, and dropped. US crude, US oil. We have supply zone being tested right now. We have fresh one up here. We have this demand zone down here. We have these ones being played out. If you want fresh demand, I believe it's right here. Yeah. We actually took a long trade in this because we broke in our group. We got long down here. We took out the supply right here, created demand, broke the trend line, and price came down here. And we got long on the 1-hour. I'll show you guys where. We got long right here at this gap. So we got long right there. And I think most of us got out. That's where our stops was, down below here. Some of us got out at 2 to 1, 2.5 to 1, and then some of us are riding to go up here. That was a nice long trade idea. We were in daily demand, gave us confirmation, and we had a nice target. Gold, we have a rally-based rally demand zone being formed right now, and we have fresh supply up here. Besides that, guys, thanks for watching, man. If you guys have any comments, let me know. Any future pairs, let me know in the comments below, and we'll hit them up next week too. All right. Besides that, subscribe. Peace out.